Hey guys, Chef Richard Papier. I'm back with you for another Uncommon Threads unboxing. This is going to be my first chef coat we're doing. They've got great chef coats. One of the things I really like about their chef coats is they make sense when you wear them in the kitchen. If you remember the one I did about the pants with the vent on the back of the leg, it's made to make you comfortable. And again, they've done something like that for us. So this is from their black collection. This one I've got in gray. It is let's take a look at this. Wow. That's nice because it's not too thick and it's not too thin. You can feel that already. Oh, wow, yep. This has got the vent on the back too. Yeah, so this is, let's get this out the way over here. So this is more of a modern cut. Oh, wow, there's all kinds of cool stuff on this. So, first of all, the things I noticed right off the back is that great mesh that they make. So it's nice and cool. It's got lots of cool features too. Oh, that's cool. Cell pocket. You got a cell phone pocket right here. You know, there's so many times you get your cell phone pocket, your top pocket, and you bend over, it falls out, you crack that phone, and we know how expensive phones are. You got a little snap right there to keep that in line. You got your thermometer, your pen pocket. You should always have a thermometer on your cooking. Always have a pen to write down information. And, let's see. Then right here in the front, check this out. That's nice. Talk about putting it on quickly. And you've got a button on the inside to lock it in, so you don't have that flap folding over on you. So it makes the color nice and tight. Now this is cool because this is a poly blend, which means it's not going to lose its color. It also comes in a few different colors. I know it comes in white, black, gray, light blue, orange. I think that's a look. I think there's a couple other colors. But it's a great jacket. Long sleeve, and again, it's not super thick. It's got finished collars, finished collar, finished cuffs. Now let's just go ahead and just put it on. Check it out. And they make this for men and they make it for women too. And I believe it goes up to 6XL. You know, like I said, these guys make clothes for all the chefs, not just one or two. They make them for all the chefs. So let's see. Oops, did this one thing. Like I said, we get that button right here that keeps it from falling back. There we go. So it keeps it from falling down on you. Always stays up. You don't have that weird collar thing going on. That's kind of cool too, because that'll keep you nice and tight. You want to avoid anything falling in, falling out. You don't get caught on anything if you're bending down, picking up anything. Let's go ahead and give that pocket a test too. Real world application. See, that's a big iPhone too. I've got the Max, so fix those bad boys. Look at that. That ain't going nowhere. I'm not going to the Apple store buying a new phone anytime soon. There you go. You've got your thermometer pocket right here, or your pen pocket. And then let's go ahead and take a look at the back there too. Got that nice vent in the back. Keeps you nice and cool. Goes all the way down to the middle of your back. You got a hot kitchen. You don't have to worry about it so much. And these guys are also wide enough, which I like, that if you want to roll it up tight, because sometimes on those hot kitchen days you want to roll it up as tight as you can and as high as you can. And with this guy, you're going to be able to do it. So you can wear it up, you can wear it down, and you're good to go. This is how I would like to wear it. I'm digging this. I'm not afraid of burning my arms here. I've been doing this for so long enough that doesn't scare me more. But this looks great. I mean, this is comfortable. I mean, I've got room to move. Great coat, man. Good job, Uncommon Threads. Love my Uncommon Threads.